Hello students, this is your teacher Manju Patil sir. So before watching this class, you have to complete your notes and send me particularly, not in group. Okay. So by taking the notes by side, observe the video classes. Okay. So in this exercise 5.2, first question. In this question, A is given. A is 7. Common difference D is 3 and nth number of terms is 8. So we have to find an. An means nth term. So answer is here. Okay. So using the formula, an is equal to a plus into n minus 1 into d. So using this formula, put the value of a. A is equal to 7. Okay. And n value is 8 and d value is 3. So putting by value, we get the answer is n equal to 28. Okay. Next question. Second question. In the second question, A is and first term is minus 18. D is not given, so we have to find D. And nth so number of terms is 10. So n is equal to 10 means number of terms is equal to 10. So n is given. So nth term is 0. So it means last term is 0. So what we have to find here? D. So in this question, second question, we have to find our D value. So again the same formula, n is equal to a plus into n minus 1 into d. N is 0, a value is minus 18, n value is 10 and d we don't know. So putting the value using the arithmetic method, so we have to find d value. So what is d? It becomes d equal to 2. Okay. Next, in third question, common difference is given. What is that? D is equal to minus 3. Number of terms 18. And last term, n means last term, so that is minus 5. So what is not given here? A. So first term is a, no? So a is not given here. So we have to find first term a. Okay. Put the value again in the same formula. We get the value is equal to plus 46. Okay. Next, the fourth question. A's first term is minus 18.9 and common difference is 2.5. Last term n is equal to 3.6. N means what? N means number of terms. We don't know number of terms in fourth question. So using the same formula, put the values of given a, d and an. We get the n value is equal to 10. So easily we have to understand the classes by only if you write the notes, otherwise it becomes difficult. Okay. So fifth question, a is equal to 3.5. A means what? A means a is a first term and d is 0. Common difference is 0. Number of terms are here 105. So an, last term an is not given, so we have to find an using the same formula. Put the values of a, d, n. You get last term as 3.5. Okay. In second main question, in the first question, what is that? Sorry. So in that first question, 30th term, it means 30th term means n is equal to 10. Sorry, n is equal to 30. Okay. 30th term it means n is equal to 10. 30. Sorry. So first term a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Number of terms 30. So n equal to 30. So next, common difference. D is equal to what it becomes? Second term minus first term. 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 means 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. First term a is equal to 10. So number of terms are here. N is equal to 30. So put the values of a, n and d in the formula, same formula. A n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we get the answer as a 30 is equal to minus 77. Okay. So in second question, 11th term. So it means what it means? N is equal to 11. 11th term means n is equal to 11. What is first term here? Minus 3. Minus 3 is the first term. D. What is D? D means A2 minus A1. What is a2 here? Minus 1 by 2 is a2. Here is there. Minus 1 by 2 is a2. Minus 3 is a1. So d means a2 minus a1. It means minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. What it becomes? D value is, it becomes 5 by 2. D value becomes 5 by 2. Here is observe the minus, double minus are there. Okay, clearly observe that. So using the same formula, put the values of a, n, d. We get the a11. 11th term is 22. Okay. Third question. Given in the following APs, AP means arithmetic progression. Find the missing terms in the boxes. First question. 2-26. There are two terms are here, so it means n equal to 3. N equal to 3. First term is 2. First term is 2. And third term is 26. A3 is 26. Put the same formula. A3 formula. A3 means n is equal to 3. A value is 2. And we don't know the difference, common difference. We have to find common difference. So put the, what is A3? A3 is equal to 26. A3 formula, 2 plus 3 minus 1 into D. So we get the following is D value as 12. So add a common difference to first term, we get the second term. Okay, how it is possible? Wait. So we found here D value as 12. So put the value, we have to find the second term now. So A2 we have to find A2. So A2 formula, 2 plus 2 minus 1 into 12. What is this formula? Again the same formula. Again A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A here? 2. What is n here? A2 no. So A2 means n is equal to 2. D means 12. We already found here. So D is equal to 12. 2 becomes 14. So second term dash box is 14 here. In second question, we don't know the A value. See, because first term is dash. So first term is empty here. So we don't know A value. But we know A2. A2 is 13 and A4 is 3. Okay. So using the A2 and A4 formula, using the A2 and A4 formula, we can easily get the answers. Okay, A2 formula, again this same formula, we don't know A, write it as it is. A2 is 13, we don't know A, so 2 minus 1 means 1, so 1 into D, again D. So this is first equation. In A4 we know the A4, so put the A4 formula in this equation. Okay, so A4 equal to 3, A we don't know A, so 4 minus 3, sorry 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 into D, 3D. Okay, so 3 equal to A plus 3D. So this is second equation. On subtracting 1 from 2, we get D as 5. So put this equation, D is equal to 5 in, wait, put D equal to 5 in equation 1. So 13 equal to A plus D. What is the D? D is minus 5. So putting by value A, we get 18. So next A3. What is A3 becomes 18 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 5. D value is minus 5. N value is 3. A value, just we find that A value is 18. So put the value of all this here. So easily we can get an answer. So A3 is 18. Okay. In third question, A is given here. A is 5. So A4 is 9 into 1 by 2. Okay. So A is 5. A4 is 9 into 1 by 2. For the same formula. In same formula, N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is N here? In A4, N is 4. A value is 5. So put the A value is 5. N is 4 now. So 4 minus 1 is equal to, it becomes 3. D as it is. We don't know D, so write it as it is. Okay, D. So after solving this, we can get easily as D equal to 3 by 2. So A2 means what? told you to A2 means A plus D, A3 means A plus 2D, A4 means A plus 3D. Directly A10 means A plus 9D. So A100 means A plus 99D. So as this A2 means A plus D. Okay, so A we know as A is 5 and D, what is D? D is just from that 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 by 2 becomes A2. What is that? 13 by 2. Say as same as A2, we get A plus A3 means A plus 2D. By putting the values of A and D, we get areas 8. Okay, A2 13 by 2, A3 8. Okay, students, we skip the fourth and fifth question answers in third question. Okay, because their answers are same as the previous questions. Okay, so in question number 4, question number 4, A is 3. What is D? D means A2 minus 3, A1. So A minus 3 means 5, no? So D becomes 5. So D means A2 minus A1, it becomes A8 minus 3. So D value is 5. A value is 3. And how many terms are there here? So, so An is 78 here. So An is 78. We have to find which term. Which term means we have to find N equal to question mark. So we have to find N value. So using the same formula, put the value of An is 78, A value is 3, N value we don't know, so D value is 5. So by simplifying, we can get N is equal to 16. So there are 16 terms are there. So 16th term is 78. Okay. So in fifth question, A value is 7. D value is, what is D value? D is equal to A2 minus 7. So 13 minus 7, it becomes 6. D is 6, A is 7. So find the number of terms. It means what we have to find the N value. So what is A in here? N is last term 205. So N is 205, D is 6, A is 7. Put the values of A, D and N in the formula. So we get N as 34. So there are number of terms are there, 34 number of terms are there. Okay, so the same method as in first question. So find the A value is 18, D value 15 and of minus 18 means what it becomes 15 ವರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 15 18 ಹೋದರೆ 2.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5/2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2.5. ಓಕೆ, so next put the value of AD and ANS minus 47. So put the values same, get number of terms 27. Okay, sixth question, whether minus 150 is in the this AP. It means 11 18 52 ಇದೇ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದರೆ minus 150 ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ -150 ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 11 is first term. What is D here? A2 minus A1, A8 minus 11, it becomes D is minus 3. Okay, what is AN? ಇದು ಏನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು ಇತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ consider it as AN. ಸೊ AN is minus 150, A is 11, D is minus 3. Find N. So by simplifying, we get N equal to 130 by 164 by 3. So it is in a fraction. So I already told you N is might not be in a fraction and not in a decimal. So that's why N is value is in fraction. So 150 not in a AP. Which AP? This AP. Okay. Seventh question. Sorry. In seventh question, find the 31st term of an AP. Andre A 31st. We have to find A 31st. 11th. What is 11th term? 38. 16th term is 73. Okay. So how we write A11? A11 means A11 equal to A plus 10D. Okay. How is 16th term? A16. A16 is equal to A plus 15D. Okay, we can write it directly. So observe this. A11. A11 equal to A11 is 38. So A11 equal to A plus 10D. Similarly, same as it is. A16 is A plus 15D. So what is A16? 73. So by subtracting 1 into equation, we can get easily as D equal to 7. Common difference is 7. So put the D value 7 in equation 1 or 2. So by putting D value in 1 or 2, by putting equation in 1, so we get this equation. So what A becomes minus 32. So we find A value and D value. So put this in. What we have to find 31st term. So what is 31st term? A31 means A plus 30D. Okay. So what is A value? A value is minus 32 plus 30 into what is D? D is 7. No? So 30 into 7, 210. 210 minus 32, what it becomes? Plus 178. So A 31st term becomes minus 138. In 8th question, again sorry. In 8th question, AP consists of 50 terms. It means ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 50ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ A50 is equal to 106 ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, A50 equal to 106. Third term A3 is equal to 12. So A3 is equal to 12, A50 equal to 106. Again the same as the previous question. A3 means A plus 2D. A50 means A plus 49D. So put the values A3 and A50 here. So we get first and second equation. So by simplifying this, we get dA is equal to 2. So it's a mobile problem. Okay, D equal to 2. So put the D values equal to 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Here it is. Okay, so put the value of D equal to in equation 1. We get A is 8. What do you have to find? 28th term. What is 28th? Sorry, 29th term. 29th means A plus 28D. A plus 28D. A value is 8. D value is 2. So 829 means 64. Okay. So A9. So question number 9 is same as previous question. So I'm skipping this question. Okay. So 10th question now. Sorry. So 10th question. 11th term of, if the 11th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. ಅಂದರೆ 17ನೇ ಟರ್ಮು 10ನೇ ಟರ್ಮಿಗಿಂತ 7 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 17ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ 10ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿಂತ 7 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? A17 ಈಸ್ A11ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? 7 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 7ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ A17 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ A11ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A17 ಮೈನಸ್ A11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A11 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ A10. ಸೊ A17 minus A10 equal to 7. But what is A17? That is A plus 16D. What is A10? That is A plus 9D. So put the minus value as same it is here. So by simplifying we get d equal to 7. Once again I repeat this. Okay, a11 a plus 16d. Okay, a11 a plus 16d, a10 a plus 9d. So we have to subtract this. So by subtracting we get 7d is equal to 7. So d is equal to 7. So what is the question here? So common difference. We have to find common differences. So that common difference becomes 1 here. In 11th question, which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay. In 11th question, A is equal to 3, D is equal to 15 minus 3, A2 minus 7. So D is equal to A2 minus 7 means 15 minus 3, D becomes 12. A is 3, D is 12. And next question, 54th term. What is 54th term? It is A54 equal to A plus 54 minus 1 into D. In place of n we write here 54. Okay, so by simplifying this we get A54 as 771. It means 54ನೇ term ಏನಾಯಿತು 771 ಆಯಿತು. Okay, so next which term? It means we have to find n value. So using the same formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, what is a n here? 771, a 3, d is 12. What we have to find? N. So n becomes 65. So 65. So there are 65th term was 32 more than 64 term. Okay. And next 12th question. So 12th question. Two APs are the same common difference. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟರವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಎ ಪಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಎರಡು ಎ ಪಿಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಎ ಪಿಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಬೋತ್ ಎ ಪಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇರ್ 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಎ ಪಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 100ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 1000ನೇ ಅಂದರೆ 1000th ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಇಸ್ A1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A2. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಎ ಪಿ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಎ ಪಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎ ಪಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಇದು ಮೊದಲೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ A1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎರಡನೇ ಎ ಪಿ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು A2 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಪಿ 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 990 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1000th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 999D ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎ ಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ A ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100D 99D ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. A1 ಏನಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ A2 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತಾನೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎರಡು ಎ ಪಿ ಇದಾವೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಪಿಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು A1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎ ಪಿಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು A2 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 1000th ಟರ್ಮ್ A2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 999D, 100th ಟರ್ಮ್ A2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 99D. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ equation we are by observing the question, it is here difference of their 100th term is 100. So that's why we have to subtract this side this. So by subtracting this we get A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Same as this. So we have to next subtract this one and this one. So by subtracting these two we get A1 minus A2. So what is A1 minus A2? We already know that A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So it means difference of 100th term is also 100 and the difference 1000th term is also 100. What is the 10,000 difference between the 10,000 terms of this AP? That is also 100. Okay. So question number 13, how many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 7? ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ? 100 ಇಂದ 999 ವರೆಗೂ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ CT ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ 100 is not divisible by 7. 101, 102, 103, 104 is not divisible by 7. So what is the first number which is divisible by 7? That is 105, and next number is 112, and next number 119. Up to what is the last number which is divisible by 7? That is 994. So by getting this AP, okay, so what is the A value here? A is 105, D is equal to 7, last term A is equal to 994. How many terms are here? So we have to find N equal to question by using the same formula. What is that formula? An formula. Put the value of An, A, D. So you get N equal to 128. So there are 128 numbers which are divisible by 7 in 3 digit numbers. Okay. Next, 14th question. So in this question also the same as 13th question. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? ಅಂದರೆ 10ರಿಂದ 250 ಹೋದರೆ 4ರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 10 is not divisible by 4, 11 is also not divisible by 4. So the first number is 12. 12 is divisible by 4, and next 16, next 20, 24. What is last number? 250 is divisible by 4, not. So last number is 248. So what is AP now? 12, 16, 20, 24 up to 228. So by getting this AP, what is A value? A value is 12. What is D value? 16 minus 12. D value is 4. What is AN? AN is last term is 248. So using the same formula, put the values of AN, A and D, we get N as 60. There are 60 numbers are there which are divisible by 4 up from 10 to 250. Okay, next 15th question. For what value of N, ಅಂದರೆ N ಯಾವ ಬೆಲೆಗೆ? ಸೊ nth value, nth term of 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17. There are 2 APs here. ಫಸ್ಟ್ AP ಯಾವುದು? 63, 65, 67 ಮತ್ತು 3, 10, 17. ಎರಡರದ್ದು nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಎರಡು AP ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡದು nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದು ಏನೋದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ AP ಇದು AN ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ AP ಇದು ಸಹ AN ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ formula. What is that? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In first AP, A is 63, D is 2. 65 minus 63, it becomes 2. So put the value of A, D. So we get a first equation as N equal to 61 plus 2N. Okay. SM is this. In second AP, what is A value? 3. What is common difference? 10 minus 3 means common difference 7. We have to find nth term, because already told you equal, nth term are equal. So first APs and second APs nth term are equal. So we have to find nth term of both APs. So second AP, A equal to 3, D equal to 7. Put the A and D value in formula. So we get A equal to 7n minus 4. By equaling these equation, first and second equation, we get n equal to 13. So in 13ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ AP ಇದು ಎರಡರದ್ದು 13ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ 13ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ದು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 13ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 16th question. Third term is 16. ಅಂದರೆ A3 is 16. Seventh term exceeds ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗೋದು. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ 12. ಅಂದರೆ 7ನೇ ಟರ್ಮು 5ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿಂತ 12 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A3 third term is 16. So we can write it as a plus 2d equal to 16. This is first equation. And next given equation, what is that? A7 is exceeds A5 by 12. ಅಂದರೆ A7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ A5ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 12 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ these two, d is equal to 6. So put this d value equation in equation 1. What we get? A value as 4. So we get A value and D value we can write easy as AP. So AP 4, 10, 15, 22. What is that AP? AP means A plus D. Already told in first classes. Okay, A plus 2D. So put the value of A and D and we get this AP. Okay, and 17th question. Find the 20th term of the last term. Find the 20th term from the last term. From the last means from this we can get consider this as first term. So here it becomes 250 is the first term. Okay, so A equal to 253. What is D? What is next term of 250? The before term is 248 and next 243. So subtracting this we get D as minus 5. So there are 20th terms. So n equal to 20. So A20 becomes 158. Okay. 18th question. The sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. The sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of n means we have to find A and D. Okay. So what is the question? 4th and 8th. Sum of 4 and 8th term is 24. No? So what is A4? A plus 3D. What is 8? A plus 7D. So sum of A4 and 8 here 24. So A4 is A plus 3D. 8 is A plus 7D. So A plus A 2A. 3D plus 7D is 10D equal to 24. So by simplifying this equation, A plus 5D equal to 12. That is first equation. So next in the question 6th term and 10th term, sum of these two becomes 44. So what is A6? A6 means A plus 5D. A10 is A plus 9D. Sum of these two is equal to 44. By simplifying this, A plus 7D equal to 22. So this is second equation. Subtract first and second equation, we get D as 5. So this equation D equal to 5, put the value of D equal to 5 in equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus 5D equal to 12. No? So put the value of D equal to in equation 1. A equal to minus 13. So A equal to minus 13. What is A2? A plus D. No? So put the value of A and D, we get A2 as minus 8, A3 as minus 3. So this is AP now. So minus 13 minus 8 minus 3 is AP. Okay. So 819. Subbar started work in 1995. Subbar ಅನ್ನೋನು 1995 ಅವನು ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 5000 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಂಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಂಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದೆಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ 5000 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷ 5200, ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷ 5400, ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಹೀಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 7, ಹಂಗೆ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದರೆ 5000, 5200, 5400 ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವರ್ಷ 7000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ here is a AP. A value is 5000. What is difference here? 200. No, so common difference is 200. And the AN value is 7000. So AN value is 7000. Put the AN, A and D value in equation in formula. So we get 11 in equal to 11. So 11ನೇ ವರ್ಷ 11th year is salary becomes 7000. So here also same. Ramkali saved 5 rupees. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾರ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾರ ಅವಳು ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಈ ವಾರ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾರ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 75 ಪೈಸೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ಗೂ ಎರಡನೇ ವೀಕ್ಗೂ 1.75. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. A = 5, D is 1.75. ಸೊ in nth week, weekly savings becomes 20.75. It means AN is equal to 20.75. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವೀಕಿಗೆ AN equal to, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವೀಕಿಗೆ 20.75 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದು ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 75 ಪೈಸೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ in the n formula, put the value of AN, A and D. So n becomes 10. ಸೊ 10ನೇ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20.75 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ 5.2 exercise. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.